Hello, welcome people to another session of Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. Today you are going to watch a video conferencing lesson on the topic of ratio. So sit back, relax and enjoy the lesson.
John has cookies and Ben only has tarts at first.
All right, stop. Thank you. Thank you. John has only cookies. John, this guy has only cookie and Ben has only tarts at first. Okay, can. John has, and don't take this number 17, okay? It's nothing, it's a question, okay? Don't be silly. Okay, and John has only cookies. All right. Only cookies. Okay, delete, and this is at first. All right, so it's at first. This guy only cookies, and this guy only have tarts. Okay, again, tarts. All right, cookies and tarts. Okay, the Ben has only tarts, John has only cookies. Okay, that's what I understand from Brian reading. Okay, so cookies. How about drawing cookies? What color you want for cookies? Tarts. Okay, pineapple tarts is orangey color. Okay, guys?
Brown.
Right?
Cookie brown.
Cookies are brown. Okay.
Brown.
Chocolate brown. Hey, they are not the same length. Okay. So I have no idea. No idea. Maybe, okay, I just draw one. Which one longer, which one shorter? Forgive me. At this juncture, I have no idea. All right, Ken? Yes, next one.
John gave half of his cookies to Ben.
And Ben?
And Ben gave half of his tarts to John.
Nothing better to do, right? Okay, come. Never mind. So I draw this picture, I cut into half. So in the end, they are both the same. Yes or not? Yes or not? So yeah, maybe I put it here side by side. It's okay. So this guy is going to reduce. Okay, can? Oh no, say cut half. Yeah. Okay, wait. I cut half of it. Yeah. Be patient. Sorry. I just cut half. Okay, half of this. Okay. Okay, in that case, I may sure do cut half here for you to remember that the half is gone. Then this guy is going to get half. I have no idea who is longer. It doesn't really matter if I messed up.
Yeah.
All right. So whatever happened was this. This guy cut half. Okay. See, I'm doing the like my RVAD way, a drawing way. I won't understand any other way. Okay, Ken? I'm not so clever to explain you other way also. A picture tells 1,000 words. So what he gave is this one. This one he took. Hey, aren't they the same? They're the same, isn't it?
Yeah, but then later on,
hey, how come not the same? Of course, because maybe I did draw the same. Okay, anyway, they should be the same. Agree or not, people?
Yeah.
Okay, I just duplicate this over there because my length is not the same. Agree, Rachel, Alejandro, agree? Okay, this is a tough question. No wonder they put it at 17 for those people A star one. Okay, those people already no time to do. Okay, everybody agree?
Yeah.
In that case, how about I calling this guy a chocolate? But if I call this a chocolate, you please remember, John has 2 chocolate. If you find the unit called chocolate, please remember the times 2. Do you understand? Because he has 2 chocolate. If you find 1C, don't be happy. Please remember times 2. It's my warning to you, okay? I call the tart as T. If I ever find the tart, please don't stop there. There are 2 tarts here. Understand or not? Rachel, Alejandro, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Don't stop at T. I find that many people happy because I don't want to do half. Okay, so this guy has a piece of chocolate. This guy has a chocolate. This has a tart. This has a tart. Agree? That is what Mr. Brian read from here to here. I give you half, you give me half. Mr. Brian, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, come, next one.
John then ate 14 tarts and Ben ate 16 cookies.
Okay, thank you very much. Wait, so he ate 16 tarts. So can I write as if you want me to? Okay, maybe I draw another box. Okay, because don't want to confuse you guys. Yeah, give me a minute. I draw another box here. So this is what happened. John ate 14 tarts. Yeah? So John ate 14 tarts. So what happened to his tart? Become smaller lah. Minus how much?
14.
14, huh? Okay. So if you want, I can make his box a little bit smaller for being realistic. Okay. A bit smaller. Okay. Do you guys understand? A bit smaller lah. Okay. Then what happened? Ben ate 16 cookies, right? Yeah. Ben ate 16 cookies. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I don't finish by 9, this is a tough question. Just hang in there. Huh? We're not going home because of time. We want to come here and make full use of time and learn. Ben ate 16. So what should I draw here? Do you know why I do minus 16? Do you understand why I do minus 16? Yeah? So this is going to be a bit shorter. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Anyone got any complaint? Is it okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. Remember, like some student ask me, teacher, which school is the best? Will come out. What school? I say I don't know. All I need to know is you better master my really bad method. Okay, you master my really bad method, you fight with anything. This is Rachel, right? Not Rachel, huh? Although next time I may call it Rachel. BAD, right? This is not bad. My God, this is balance, right? Right?
Yeah.
And you can see how useful my ABC or math is, huh? All right, and you draw. I am using the drawing method now. All right, and I probably will use one more, okay? Based on what Mr. Brian will read for me. Come, read. After that?
After that, the ratio of the number of tarts to the number of cookies John had was 1:7. And
Stop. Talking about who now? Stop.
John.
John, huh? So I'm looking at John here. I'm looking at this guy, John, huh? Talking about John, huh? Relax. Don't go because, okay? Relax, huh? I don't care the time, huh? I really don't care. Talking about John. What was John say? Number of tart, number of cookie was 1:7. Tarts.
1
to cookie. So, hey, that means this tart he had. Yeah, this tart he had is 1 unit. This tart he has is 1 unit for John, for John. The tart he had to the cookie is how much? How much?
7.
So who is 1? Who is 7?
Cookies is 7. 1 is
tarts to cookies John had was 1:7. Tart is 1, cookie is 7. Agree or not, people? Tart is 1, right? Cookie is 7. Do you see or not?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cookie is 7, tart is 1. Can Okay? See, I am a no-brainer method. I told you, Mr. Kevin got no brain one. He come up with this dummy method. All right? All right. Dummy method. Where should I write? 1 and where? Tart is 1, right? Cookie, right? How much? Cookie, right? How much?
7.
Agree or not?
Yeah.
Mr. Kevin got no brain one. What the question say? I just write. I'm a dumb fool. Cookie 7. Tart 14. Okay? Miss Rachel, everybody, Alejandro, Antia, Lucas. So because of that, I say, what must you do? This is like a ratio, right? Crisscross. Show correct one. That means 1 of this is equal to 7 of this. This is a smaller one. This 7 times of this. That means 7 of this is 1 of this. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can draw a long picture, but I don't want. This is 1. This is 7 times. That means 1 of this is equal to 7 of this. That means chocolate, right? Chocolate is equal to 7 of this. Understand or not, people? Do you understand? 7 of this, T minus 14, is equal to chocolate. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I mean, this guy is one time only, 1 unit. This guy is 7 units. So 7 of the tarts minus 14 is equal to chocolate. Okay, good. Then you multiply in. Come, calculator now, quick. 70 minus, come on now, don't give me calculator wrong at this end of the day. We are
Minus
taking
14.
minus 14 times 7 lah. 7 sets lah, boy.
Yeah.
Minus 98. Do you understand? I say 7 sets. Not that the 7 finish, don't need to minus.
Equal 14.
Okay, equal chocolate. Understand?
Yeah.
So far? Okay, we don't care. That's what I know so far. I'm not doing anything anymore. Okay? All right?
Yeah.
I follow Mr. Kevin. He said, write this now. Okay, then who can teach me now? The next one. And the ratio.
And the ratio
Yeah, continue.
of the number of tarts to the number of cookies Ben had was 1/4.
Now talking about Ben, right? Ben is 1/4.
Yeah.
Talking about Ben, so talking about the tarts for Ben. Okay, where's the tarts for Ben? The tart is 1. Yes? The cookie is how much? The cookie is
16.
4. Where got 16? Don't come and frighten me. Yes or not?
Yeah.
Hello? Understand or not? Don't come pull number and frighten me. The tart is this one. The cookie is this one. Alejandro following? Rachel following?
Yes.
Yeah, please don't worry about the time. We'll finish. Okay, okay? We're here to learn. That's the hardest one. Lucas, understand? Auntie, understand? Lucas, Auntie, understand?
Yes.
Okay, now, okay, so I am going to do this. Okay, of course, like I say, you have a better way. You go ahead. You go ahead. I am always doing the same method. I told you I don't change one. Okay, guys? So I'm going to draw you another picture here. So this one was talking about who? This one was talking about John. Okay, then I better write his name here. Talking about John. This one was talking about John. This one was for John's situation. Now I'm talking about Ben's situation here. All right. So what is the Ben situation says here? Ben's situation says the tarts he had was 1. The cookie he has was 4. All right. So what do I write? The tarts versus the cookie. This is the tart Ben has, right?
Yeah.
This is the tart Ben had. And the cookies he had was C minus 16. Do you understand? It came from earlier because he ate 16 cookies. Now the tart he has was 1. The cookie he has was 4. So what do I write, Rachel? Equal to what? The tart he has was 1. The cookie he has was 4. What do I write for the tarts?
4.
The tarts got 4. Hello, see the English?
Oh.
The tart, he got this, and the
one.
cookie, he got this. You see, you just do the corresponding thing. Can see how? So the tart is 1, the cookie is 4. Understand or not? That's why it's so long. That's why I say you just write down accordingly. That's all. See, this means the tart got 1 unit. This guy got 4 units. Very, very, very long. So instead of doing that, so I say 4 of this is equal to 1 of this. Is it okay? Okay, so what is it? So what is it? 4t is equal to what? 4t is equal to C minus 16 because 1 times everything is the same thing. Can you understand? 1 times this is this. Okay, yes, now, okay. This is a C here, this is a C minus 16. I try to make the C. Why? Because if I make the C is gone, I left with tarts. Okay, again? So if C minus 16 is 4 tarts, C is equal to 4 tart plus 16. I bring the 16 over. Plus 16 here, get lost. Plus 16 here is 4 tart plus 16. Understand why I do that or not? What I'm writing is this. 4 tart plus 16 is equal to C. Plus 16 on this side, plus 16 on this side. Understand so far, people? Plus 16 to get rid of the 16 here. Disturb me. I don't know. So because of that, I need to plus 16 here. Get it? So this is gone. Left C down here. This is because 0 plus 16, you left 16 here and then 40 here. So if, understand people? Okay? Yeah. If this is C is equal 40 plus 16, this is C equals 70 minus 78. What can I do for the balance? After ratio, I need to balance. What can I write? Can I write this? Very exciting, huh? See whether we can come out is equal to this. Can I do that? This is equal to this. Balance. Okay, again? No brain method. No need to think hard, think soft one, like I say. Okay? If Brian agree, very good. So minus 4, minus 4. So left 3t. Yes, now.
3t.
Okay? Minus 98 is equal to 16. Yes, no? So how to get rid of 98? Plus 98 here. Plus 98 here. Come, I already got the t already. If you can give me a calculator, correct. What? First one. 3t is equal to how much? Come on, come on. 3t is equal to how much? Add, quick. Calculator. Don't give me.
114.
Okay, pray. Better can t can divide by 114.
Wait, let me check again. I check again.
Okay, 114 divided by 3 lah. You can get a whole number. I'm happy. You don't get a whole number, we are dead already.
Yeah, you get 38.
38 lah. I want to say hallelujah. Okay, cannot say that. Okay, so because not religious, so I did. Okay, it's just me. All right, 38 Okay, according who said 38 touch is 38 Okay, touch is 38. Okay, fine. Don't forget I say the touch is 38. Now don't forget 38 and 38 remember I say you found the touch. The guy got 2 touch. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How about find the cookie then? Hey, how about use this to find the cookie? Cannot see the cookie is. I know the touch is 38. I put this 38 here lah. Come on. Find the cookie. See, the touch is 38. So the cookie is equal to
times 4.
Yeah. Time then plus what?
Plus 16.
Yeah. Don't forget the plus 16 Cannot. Okay. Girls, faster, find me cookie. So exciting. I want to end already. Let's end on a good note. If I cannot find this, I cry, man. I cannot sleep. Thank you all for your attention. What is cookie? Come on, help me.
1, 5 plus.
Calculator.
It's 168. 168.
168. Yeah, okay. Cookies 168. I really don't know the number one.
Wait. No, 4 times 38 is 152. Then plus 16 is 168. That's the answer.
Yeah, 168 lah. Totally 168 lah. Total 168 lah. Cookie 168 lah. As you do for me, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Agree, So I'm going to write the cookies here. Just when I want to write, you say no, make me scared. All right, 168 and the cookie 168. All right, what do they want? Hey, I'm crazy, right? You see, I don't even have the question. How many touch did Ben bake at first? Can we find? How many touch did Ben bake at first?
4.
4? How many Ben bake at first? Here. What's it? What's it?
2.
2? Big 2 touch? Are you mad? Here.
38 times 2.
Yes, 38 times 2. I'm not sure the answer, but I'm sure Mr. Brian have the answer, okay? Later, then we check. If we get, I'm happy. If not, we'll die already. I'm so sad. Okay, 38 times 2, come on. 38 times 2.
76.
76, So I found the first part. You see, I do question. I didn't even care about this A and B. Can you understand? All right. What is it? What is the ratio? Brian, read.
What is the ratio of the total number of tarts to the total number of cookies they had at first? Give your answer in the
Tarts
simplest form.
versus cookie, okay? Not versus lah. Okay, very funny. Ratio, okay? Sorry, ratio, okay? I'm mad one. Okay, so what is the tarts? Come on.
2.
2 again? What's the total tarts?
76.
Yeah, 76 lah. What's the cookie? Come.
168.
168 only? Come on. Look at the picture.
168 times 2.
Can ah? 168 times 2 ah? Cookies, okay. What is 168 times 2? Come. 168 times 2 lah. Okay, ah? People agree or not? Alejandro, Rachel, Lucas.
36.
Huh?
336.
What, 26?
336.
Or 336. Okay, yeah. Go to the ratio lah. Go and put 76 over 336 lah. Tell me.
What is the simplest form?
Yeah lah. You poke your calculator, my friend. 76 over 336. Your calculator will settle for you. This looks very ugly number. I also very scared. What is it?
19 to 84.
19 to 84, ah? Okay,
Yeah.
but you don't do fraction, ah? Here you write 19 dot, thank you, whoever said that 1984 takes so long. All right, this is the answer. Okay, now we are going to check. Can you all remember? Now I'm going to go to the answer and check, okay? Pray, if not, we end the day on a very sad note. If it is, yay! Okay, again, we attack the most difficult question. All right, 76 and 1984. All right, here we go. What the heck is this? Question
Wait,
7.
19 is to 84.
No need to tell me here lah. I so sorry already. Here, people, thank you very much. I don't know what this guy do. As far as my concern, the answer is A, 76, B, 1984. Thank you for your patience. Really, thank you for your patience. If you don't sit with me, I have no mood to do this. And this is a very hard question. Okay? All right? If you don't understand, next week, ask me. If not, like I say, I will load it on my YouTube channel. You go and see. This one, what tough. Thank you, Mr. Brian, for asking this question for me to do question 17. You know how to pick the toughest of the question. Can you see? Antia can? Of course, Lucas, Antia, you can think other way. Really go ahead. I really don't stop you. But you know why? I'm very consistent in using my really bad method. Ratio, balance, ABC, and draw. I don't want to like one time do this, one time do that. You know, right? Rachel, Alejandro, can you see? I'm very consistent in my method one. Can I? So you learn to master this. You can handle difficult question from any schools. It's not the school that matter. You master my 4 Kung Fu style, really bad method of maths. I think you can go far. Okay? So I'll see you next week. Thank you for your patience. All right? It's 9:10. You may go.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.